Exploring Euphoria, I'm on cloud 9. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting phrase that you might have heard or seen in English conversations and media. I'm on cloud 9. This expression is not only popular but also paints a vivid picture of happiness and satisfaction. So, if you're ready to elevate your English expression skills, stay with us as we unravel the meaning and usage of being on cloud 9. I'm on cloud 9 is an idiomatic expression used in English to describe a state of extreme happiness or euphoria. When someone says they are on cloud 9, they are telling you that they are feeling incredibly joyful or blissful, almost as if they are so happy they're high up in the clouds. This phrase is often used to convey that someone is experiencing a peak moment of happiness or satisfaction in their life. The origin of the phrase, on cloud 9, is somewhat debated among linguists and historians. One popular theory suggests that it comes from the International Cloud Atlas, published in the 19th century, which classified clouds into types, and Type 9 was considered the highest cloud. Another theory links it to American slang from the 1950s, where cloud 9 was described as a state of perfect happiness. Regardless of its true origin, the phrase has cemented its place in English as a metaphor for being extremely happy or satisfied. To help you understand how to use this expression, here are a few examples. After getting promoted at work, I was on cloud 9 all day. She's been on cloud 9 since she found out she's going to be a mother. Winning the championship put the whole team on cloud 9. Notice how the phrase is used to highlight moments of great joy, achievement, or any other significant positive event in a person's life. The phrase, I'm on cloud 9, has made its mark not just in everyday conversation but also in popular culture, appearing in songs, movies, and books. It's a universally understood expression of happiness that crosses cultural boundaries. While on cloud 9 is the most common version, you might also hear variations like seventh heaven, which carries a similar meaning of feeling blissful or extremely happy. Understanding idiomatic expressions like I'm on cloud 9 is a fantastic way to enrich your English vocabulary and express emotions in a more colorful and native-like manner. We hope this video has lifted your spirits and maybe even put you a little closer to cloud 9 with excitement to learn more about the English language. Remember, language learning is not just about grammar and vocabulary, it's also about embracing the culture and expressions that make a language unique. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Feel free to share your moments of being on cloud 9 in the comments below. Happy learning!